Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I forgot to include this in the end of the last vlog, but yeah, this is what the upstairs looks like. We'll get back to this at the end of the video. I'm also featuring the Yeezy C12 Pro Plus, and this is a great holiday gift for anyone with pets, kids, or a grandparent, or just a busy lifestyle. Ruby downloaded the app and named our device. And this is a professional 2-in-1 vacuum and mop thanks to the Osmo Mega Mopping System, which wipes the floor 480 times per minute, providing stronger cleaning performance for stubborn stains. It can easily switch from vacuuming to vacuuming and mopping. It offers automatic dust collection, ensuring an efficient cleaning experience, powered by pure cyclone technology and a stage 4 filtration system, long-lasting dust collection while preventing secondary pollution. My favorite part is something I haven't seen is the see-through dust container. You can clearly see when it's full. It comes with an extra mop pad, and these are machine washable, making them reusable. There's a carpet detection sensor. It will automatically avoid carpets when it mops. Driven by a leading high-speed motor and enhanced by a straight-through duct design, also featuring zero-tangle anti-tangle technology, which showcases significant advancements in preventing brush tangling. The V-shaped roller brush effectively eliminates hair with a 21-degree design and anti-static bristles. The dual comb teeth enhance performance by sweeping hair into the suction port, ensuring thorough cleaning. A streamlined cavity structure and high suction fan capture hair, guaranteeing uninterrupted cleaning and minimal maintenance for users to focus on their priorities. I like having a robot vacuum for daily maintenance, and also you can just get your errands done while the floors are being cleaned. Here I'm doing laundry, dishes. I can be doing any other task while the floors are being cleaned. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know we have a new kitten. You can probably hear her in the background playing with the bottle cat, but it does a great job at keeping the cat hair off the floors. I'll show her to you guys very soon. We've had our hands full potty training a kitten. Also, even if you don't have a task to do, you can just take a load off, watch some TV, and the robot vacuum will clean for you. I took off the top so you guys can see the dust coming out and going into the dustbin. Over here, cleanup is so easy, no dust bag, so you can just keep cleaning and reusing. If you guys are interested, I will have all the links in my description for you. I'm back in the kitchen to clean up really quickly before I start cooking again. I made some burgers and chicken wings and also pasta. I know that's a really random combination, but everybody always wants something different. I also prepped some beef bulgogi for the first time, my first time ever making it. I had some from bento the other day. My boyfriend got some and I took a couple bites and I'm like, I'm gonna make this. So hopefully it turns out good. I think one of my kids messed with the gain on my mic. I just turned it down, but sorry if I was being super loud in the last clip. Here's a closer look at our kitty ISA, Momo ISA. We gave her Momo Misa ISA, so we can just keep Misa's name alive. We do mess up and call her Misa, and at this point we're just calling her anything. She is so cute. I think she's about 5 months old now. She's already grown so much. She is the sweetest, but she's also a menace. She's a short hair. I'm pretty sure that's what it says on her paperwork. I was going to say a little cute nickname that we use for her, but when I looked it up, it said that it was offensive, and I had no idea. It's a term that's used for a mixed person, like white and black, and I've heard it in a Nirvana song before, and I had no clue that that was offensive. So we're going to stop saying that. The kids just came back in from playing at the trampoline at my boyfriend's house. I'm trying to come up with a name for my boyfriend because I want to stop saying that. I just feel like we're too old for that. We'll see what I come up with. But yeah, that's where they were. And now Sultan is going to make some lollipops. Yes, the kids are also inspired to make things from scratch. And every time I go to the gas station, they always ask for lollipops. And now she knows how to make them at home. You guys, I want to do more cooking videos. That's what I'm really enjoying right now. I'm still going to do cleaning, but I want to incorporate more cleaning and obviously meal prep. I'm so deathly skinny right now. It's horrifying, but I've been sick. That's not something I really want to talk about because I'm still waiting for results, so we'll see. But yeah, I want to start meal prepping, eating more meat, more protein. I need to up my iron intake, all those things. So I'm really focusing on my diet right now, and that's what I really want to share. I switched up my kimchi. I found this at Target and it's so good. Me and Sultan have been eating it nonstop. I think the jar is just about empty. I just saw her downstairs with a plate full of it. Okay, I have a big bowl of shaved beef, and then I also have brown sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, just a little bit, mirin, and some black pepper, and apple. I'm only using 1/4 of the apple, half the onion because I like onion, and also I'm using 5 cloves of garlic because we have a lot of meat. So I messed up here. I was supposed to add in the wet ingredients or like the whole sauce into the blender, but I wasn't looking at a recipe. I was just going based off what I saw on a TikTok. So later when I looked back at the TikTok, I was like, oh, I was supposed to put everything into the blender, but it's fine. It's still in the fridge marinating, so I'll update you guys on how this turned out. I'm adding in a bunch of green onions. I will be adding more in once this is done. I love onions, white, green, purple. Oh, we also made an onion boil for the first time towards the end of the video. It came out so good. I want to try it with eggs and potatoes. I don't really like seafood boil. I tried it once with Ruby and her dad and I gave it like a 6 out of 10, but I do love the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna pop that in the fridge to marinate overnight. I wanted to include this cute little clip of Isa drinking out of Misa's old bowl. She has a double bowl, but it was in the sink ready to get washed. I'm showing you guys what the kitchen looks like once again. This is the story of my life. The kids making lollipops. I didn't include the cleaning part because I already did it once in this video. But we're going straight into the onion bowl. I saw this on TikTok, of course. I cannot believe TikTok is gonna go away. I hope that's not true because I get so many recipes from TikTok. Also Pinterest. You just core out the inside of the onion and then fill it up with some really good butter. I also added some garlic. I don't have any Creole seasoning or like Old Bay because I don't like them, but I want to try it with that too. And then you go ahead and put it into the oven. Oh, I forgot to say that I melted extra butter with seasonings and poured it over top, but you can probably see that, and added more seasonings. When this was done, it came out so buttery soft. I could have eaten 5 of these. If you don't like onions, this is not for you, but this is a delicacy in our house. I'm so sad that Ruby wasn't here to have it, but when she comes back, I'll be making it again. Okay, girl, we are back at the ups. Look at the little culprit there. Had our laundry room out of service for weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up some more clothing and towels from around the house in the kids' rooms. I did recently deep clean the kids' bathrooms and their rooms, actually like all the rooms and bathrooms upstairs, but it never feels like it's clean enough. So I'm gonna start with just separating all of this today. I did already have a load of cleaning cloths going because every single cleaning cloth in my house is dirty, and you guys know how many I have, so yeah. Backed up to the maximum limit on laundry. I've even been using paper towels to clean, and that's so not me. There's also a bunch of trash. The kitty got to her treats, but she ended up not liking them. She just spilled them. There was some lint and some other wrappers. See, when I'm lazy, the kids are also lazy, so they've been sneaking food upstairs and enjoying themselves. But now we are cleaning that all up. They're downstairs cleaning up whatever mess they're making down there while I'm up here, because it always feels like I clean the downstairs, but the upstairs is a mess. And then I clean the upstairs, and then I go down there, it's a mess. I'm like, no, I already cleaned the downstairs. I'm going up to clean. When I come back down, it better be clean. Mind you, I had already done like 4 or 5 loads of laundry before this. That's all sitting on my bed and the chair in my room. The next video that I'm gonna do, the laundry routine, is gonna be insane. It's just gonna be laundry dedicated because I probably have like 25 loads of laundry here. Then to put them away, the kids will be putting away their own clothes. We already had that talk. But yeah, it's gonna be intense. And even though I clean the messes out from the laundry room, I'm still wearing those shoe covers every time I go in there because it just doesn't feel the same. I feel like I'm gonna have to clean it 100 more times before I can go in there with, ew, not barefoot, but with socks or slippers. I'm just gonna feel like it's always dirty. And this is what I came up with. Some of these loads are double or even triple loads, so it will multiply. This is probably the first time the kitty has seen the floor clear. She was sniffing around like, what is this new land? But that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in the next one.